Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure the Note 9 Pro has 20% battery, the sensor area is clean, and any thick screen protector is removed so scans register. First, add a secure fallback PIN or password because MIUI requires it before fingerprints. Once done, go to Settings right arrow Passwords and Security right arrow Fingerprint Unlock and press Add Fingerprint. You'll tap the sensor repeatedly. Follow on-screen prompts and move your finger slightly each time so the phone records all edges for reliable future unlocks. Once the fingerprint is saved, make sure you enable it for screen unlock and for app lock if you want consistent biometric control. You should also disable face unlock under face recognition so the phone won't prefer the camera. That guarantees fingerprint remains the primary method. In lock screen settings, set the automatic lock delay to the shortest option or immediately where MIUI offers it. This ensures the device asks for fingerprint each time the screen turns on. These steps enforce fingerprint as the only quick unlock. You finish by testing. Lock the phone, wake it, and unlock several times with different finger angles to confirm consistency. If the sensor misses often, re-register that fingerprint and include alternate fingers. Clean the sensor and try without screen protector. Make sure MIUI is up to date since some bugs affect biometric behavior. Update and reboot. If problems persist, back up data and consider a factory reset or service check. Re-registering and software updates fix most issues without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.